Hello everyone and welcome back to Ruchi's Crafeteria. Today I'm back with another card video. It's a very quick card, quick watercoloring, and I have used Life of Color water brush pen for that. This stamp set is from Unity Stamp Company and I stamped it on Strathmore Watercolor paper using Versafine black ink. In this video I'm showing you how I complete the inside look of my card and stamp my watermark on that. So stay tuned till the end. Now you enjoy all the loose watercoloring and I will be back. All the supplies are listed below in the description box. I hope you enjoyed today's video tutorial. Give it a try and don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See ya!